diamond.
Diamond.
The clock is shaped like a diamond. Triangle.
Triangle. The traffic sign is triangle-shaped.
Circle.
Circle. A ball has the shape of a circle.
Star.
Star. Star.
Can you draw a star shape? Diamond.
Diamond. Triangle.
Triangle. Circle.
Circle.
Star.
Star.
Shapes.
Heart.
Heart. Heart.
Have you ever seen a pizza in shape of a heart? Oval.
Oval.
Can you see an oval-shaped mirror in this picture?
Heart.
Heart.
Oval.
Oval.
Arrow.
Arrow. Arrow. An arrow says, "Go this way."
Semicircle.
Semicircle.
The window is shaped like a semicircle.
Arrow.
Arrow.
Semicircle.
Semicircle.
Square.
Square.
This is a picture frame. It has a square shape. Rectangle.
Rectangle. Look at the laptop screen. It is a rectangle. Square.
Square.
Rectangle.
Rectangle.